Make sure this is out, not in the locked position through here. Make sure you can see the face of the AIS unit, so when your antenna flips out, it comes straight that way. And even if you weren't using this to automatically pull, this is still a safety lanyard. If you left it attached to this side here and then tied it off, if your unit falls off the oil inflation valve, you won't lose it in the drink. So pay attention to the kind of AIS you have, how it's locked, how it's armed, and how it pulls. And this one should go in there face first, just like this, ready to go. See how hard that is to pull? Life jackets don't inflate at a super fast rate. So sometimes this lanyard set in auto pull, as this is inflating, will actually kick it to the left or to the right. Now you're not getting enough tension on there to auto pull that. So make sure and be ready to manually pull it if it did not go off, no matter how it's set.